2006 Lexus SUV GX470 alternator change. It's on the bottom. If you have a lift, that'd be great. If not, jack stands all the way up in the air. All right, this is how this worked out. Sway bar. You have to take the sway bar down. Just take the brackets off. 2 bolts. Drop the whole arm. Okay, once the arm is dropped, you get a lot more clearance here. All right, this is the arm that sits up here. All right, just drop it down. Come out, give you plenty of room. If you have any covers under here, you have to remove them. This one, lucky for me, does not have any covers, so it was a lot easier to get to. Alternator sits in that hole right there. 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. All right, it's actually 2 nuts up there and 1 long bolt in here. I'll show you on the alternator. There it is. Long bolt here, 14 millimeter, 12 millimeter nut, 14 millimeter bolt nut up here. You have to go in and out through this hole right here. Tie everything out of the way and you get room. Now through here, I'm not sure if there used to be a cover here. I'm sure there used to be. Otherwise, from in here, it's perfect. Get the 10 millimeter nut for the battery cable, and then there's a plug. Just squeeze the tab and you pull the plug out. Now the second part of it is right there, which is the power steering pump. You can see the shaft right there. That pulley is in the way. 17 millimeter nut. Take the nut off the power steering pump. Pulley slides right out. You gotta give it a little wiggle room, but it's made out of aluminum, so be careful. Once you take that out, you got plenty of room to slide this little bugger out. Then you just compare, make sure it's the right one. This is an AutoZone brand, remanufactured. They don't have the gold one in stock, but these are good, lifetime warranty. All right, make sure the exact same thing, it matches. That's all you can ask for. And it goes back the same way. You wiggle it back in, put the 2 studs, lined it up here, put the bolt, the 2 nuts, put the power steering pulley back, because the power steering pulley actually sits right here, just like that. Just enough to get in the way that you can't slide that alternator. That's why this has to come out. All right, that's the reason for that. Then of course the battery cable. Plug in your little 4-pin over here. Put back your belt. I'm not gonna tell you how to do that because everybody knows how to change the belt. All right, with the tensioner. That's it. Over and out. Enjoy.